3 ways to make your dog life better. Number 1. Fight boredom. Give your dog more mental stimulation with mind engaging activities such as enrichment, puzzle, new toy, visit to new places, and learning new skill and tricks. Second, give them a hand. Most dogs learn visual signal faster than verbal. When training communication more clear by using hand signal along with word, your dog will have a figurative sign of relief at finally being able to understand you. Third, rub them the right way. Most dogs, like most people, appreciate a good message. It not only promotes relaxation, healing, and bonding, it feels so good.